Have you ever experienced a problem wherein someone overwrites a template you've sent them? I mean, it's supposed to be a template, something that everyone else can fill in. So, a lot of people miss the step of making a copy or downloading what you've sent them before they write over it. Thus, the shared template becomes their own personal file. So, to avoid that from happening and to protect their data privacy in the process, you can automatically give them the make a copy option as soon as they receive the file. Here's how. On your screen is a new Slides Go template that I have chosen and I will use as a template for my presentation for this week's lesson. The first thing you have to do is simply click the share button on the upper right side, like you normally would. Click copy link. Simply paste the link on the address bar. After the backslash, erase whatever is written and replace it with the word copy. Enter that and automatically you will give them the option to copy the document. That is the link that you will share with them. So this is the copy of the file I just made. If we go back to my original file and I make some changes, this is what will happen. Say let's add an S, for example. If I go to my copied file, you will not see the edit I made because they are two different and separate files at this point. So again, if you want to give them a make a copy option instantly, just delete the last part after the slash, replace it with the word copy, and then copy that URL, then paste it on the body of your new email or on your Messenger group or Viber group, whichever platform you prefer.